Classroom systems, the CNC and the CMO. What will be CNC? Computer, numerical control. And second one, CMO. What is mean? Previous class I discussed for this notes is that C6 coordinated measurement machine. Okay, is one of the two measurement is a very important from the parameters. Okay, is one the advanced going for the advanced measurement for the CNC. Okay, the CNC is the computer numerical control. Is one the figure is the same. The C is there is the only the part of the CM. Is one correlated with that. Is one the one is the proof. The first one the spindle, the crack bit and thread and control unit, PZ and printer is that. The CNC is operating the going for the only for the you are going for the first one measurement. X, Y is the axis is that. One is the fixer. Okay, the fixer is the, for example, for the spindle is on the laser turning with the machine. The machine is the particular distance for the time tapering is that. We are going for the first one X, Y axis, the program control is the controlling the units. We are going for the first one the operating points. Is the one of the from to end points. One is the X axis. Next one Y axis. Next one Z axis. Three axes here. Okay, is any doubt? No. Is the three axis there? The three axis going for the first one the fixer the program. Then otherwise with the operating the machine, the automatically there will be the particle the spindle is there. Second one the graphic is there. Next one the your equipment and the other properties is the correct or not is the going for the printing is there. These were the very important. The step there is mentioning the tables. The first one, hold, vector, define the clamping location and facilities the mounting is on the layer measurement system is that, which is that. The every axis the cam provides the digital manufacturing the measurement length measuring the system of the each axis. Okay, it's one of the program. We are going for the fixed